Hello everyone, this is Rosie from Lvxin Packaging. We are specializing in molded pulp packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I want to show you every guide for new packaging portrait for body care product like this. This is produced by repressing process and made from sugarcane paper with black toner. So you can see the surface is very beautiful and smooth. And the other side has nice texture. And each cavity can fit the product very well. Let me assemble it to show you. You can see it can be fit very perfect because we designed the cavity follow the product inside. Also, we can put in the outer ball. Then the whole packaging was finished. It looks very nice and luxury. And then we close it. If you are interested in this style product and you have a request about it, just feel free to contact us. We can provide professional customized service and free design service within 24 hours. All your contact will be get quickly response. Thank you. Bye bye.